At Southeastern Growers in Watkinsville, Georgia, RediRoot's innovative plastic and fabric aeration containers are growing trees that stand out. Our product specialist Chris Murphey toured the nursery with General Manager Brian Lawrence to see RediRoot in action. Deodar cedar starts strong in RediRoot's 15-gallon plastic aeration pots with slatted sides for air pruning, then step up to a 45 or 65-gallon RediRoot fabric bag for robust root growth and superior drainage. Cryptomeria thrive in 45 and 65-gallon fabric pots with aeration that builds stronger roots. Watch their machine fill 65-gallon bags with Crepe Myrtle, efficiency at its best. American Holly and Moonglow Magnolia shine in 30-gallon fabric pots, where breathable fabric promotes vibrant, healthy roots for standout trees. From plastic aeration pots to final fabric containers, Southeastern Growers and RediRoot grow success together, root by root. RediRoot, designed for professional growers, rooted in results. Visit RediRoot.com to grow smarter today.